Welcome to today's guided meditation to make someone regret hurting you instantly. After this meditation, they will think about you so much that they beg for forgiveness and beg to be back in your life. Before getting started, make sure that you are lying down in a quiet, comfortable space and gently close your eyes. Now breathe in and out. In, out. In, out. Now begin to visualize your specific person while still breathing in and out. In, out. Now imagine them coming to you and telling you everything that you have been waiting for them to tell you. Breathe in and out. In and out. What exactly are they saying to you? And how are they making you feel in this moment? Breathe in and out. In and out. On your next breath in, you are going to hold that breath in and allow that feeling to circulate throughout your entire body. Now feel how good your specific person is making you feel as they are confessing all their feelings for you. Take your last breath out. Breathe in and hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now breathe out. Feel that feeling circulating throughout your entire body. Now you're going to take all those amazing feelings you are feeling right now and transfer them to your specific person. Again, imagine your specific person and seeing them standing right in front of you, staring you deep into your eyes. You are now going to transfer your feeling to them from your mouth to theirs. You are going to breathe out of your mouth into theirs as you are kissing them. And you will hold this breath out for 10 seconds. As you are staring into your specific person's eyes, imagine kissing them passionately. Then take a deep breath in and out and hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Your specific person is now inhaling all the feelings you are feeling for them right now. Your spirits and souls are interconnected right now. Feel all the love that you and your specific person are sharing right now. Breathe in and out. In and out. Now slowly open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, "They beg for my forgiveness," to affirm that you have attracted back your specific person. And if you felt the power of this meditation, it is nothing compared to how you will feel when you completely release all of those blocks and limiting beliefs about you and your specific person. Decide today that the love between you and your specific person is irreplaceable and worth fighting for, and no negative beliefs are going to stand in your way. Get the Worship Me spell and banish these limiting beliefs from your mind by clicking the link in the description box below or heading to joybyjanell.com. I have thousands of 5-star reviews on my site so you can see how great my spells work. Bye, my loves. See you in the next meditation.